Hi, I'm Nicola Ferrant.
My name's Dhruv Pillay.
And I'm Alexander McPike, and the three of us make up the Brobots. In front of us, we have the Brobot Mark 1.
For the final design of our project, we have a simple rectangular chassis that we used, and on top of it, we put a second level of the same chassis that would allow us to have a nice surface so we could easily figure out where we would want to place our arm. Furthermore, we used a casting technique that we milled out and then cast with 50 grade silicon to put sort of tires around our wheels and allow us to get good traction on the ramp when we wanted to drive up.
In the very first iteration of our robot, we used the same gear train that we built in class, which was a gear ratio of about 243 to 1. However, when we ended up trying to get it up the ramp, we realized that we were having some problems. We decided, though, that this wasn't a torque issue, but more of a slippage issue with the tires. So we tried a number of different iterations on how to build the perfect tire, and here we are.
The manufacturing process was relatively not complicated. We used mainly laser cutting of 1/4-inch acrylic to make up the body of our robot. It seemed to work well. The material was strong, and it was very versatile in the sense that we could place our holes for holding down the gearbox and everything wherever we wanted to, and then have everything pre-aligned and easy to assemble. We learned a lot about the manufacturing process through this whole project. The first thing that we learned was that we shouldn't mix 30 and 80 if we want 50 grade silicon. But the second thing, and probably a more broadly applicable lesson, was the importance of coming up with an assembly before printing individual parts. So just having a sense for where each part belongs, the dimensions for each part. We did a number of times print parts without including them in the assembly and then realized that they were incompatible with some other dimensions. So that was a lesson learned the hard way, but learned hopefully for the long term. So this has been the Brobots. This is the Brobot, and we'll see you on the turf.